mix lovelies and friends. And on the mix today we have Marcia. Now Marcia, she's at the post office and she's speaking to this gentleman, this Jamaican gentleman who is talking pure sex. Now, you should go ahead and listen to what they have to say because there's a whole lot of big people things that's in this video. Yes, so if you're a child, please just sign off. But everything in this video is related to that. So go ahead and listen to what Marcy and this gentleman has to say. And
you never hear me. You never hear.
So me never so
Don't become quiet. Put the pillow over my mouth.
Oh, I'm a people man.
A people man, yes. A people man.
So no people man. Me clean cocky wicked.
A people woman.
So no people woman. That's why me clean cocky so.
What you say?
Drop play shots wicked.
When a people man, you drop cocky wicked.
Say when a woman.
When a fear woman,
yes.
You drop it wicked.
Yeah.
So we have to be so wicked for you get here all the time.
It no matter.
You have to drop the one. You have to drop people woman. So you can't come back.
No, when you drop cocky good for a woman in a left. that human good for four. That's why if your man not done, because you're going to fling it on him.
Allah, tell me not have none. But me not have none, so you can't turn. So if...
That's why you're not none. And that's what the point.
Come in,
you're not quint it up and...
Me not quint it up?
Yeah, and fling it down.
Well, you have got to teach me how you quint it.
Me? Me no, nothing to quint up.
So you are tell me me not quint it, so are you saw me quint it?
So you don't know woman quinting?
No, me don't know you quint.
Yeah,
we send the amount, you see, man?
Teach all the new tricks.
Hello, me teach them the classes the long time and over quint. The man can't left me. Any man we have to come back.
Me never hear nobody fling it from corner.
Don't if you hear it. Me's a private person, you can't hear it.
You're private, you do good.
No, me's not a nice person. You would have never hear that. Maybe something you couldn't do.
You feel like, you know, there's stone of dance and women have people that beat down things and a ball forward.
I say you like it nice?
Yes.
Yes. You would never hear that from me. Nope. You would never hear that. I am a silent lover. Me, that is so embarrassing. Me used to live our house and me stay downstairs and hear the girl upstairs and go on. And it's embarrassing. Because other people are here. I say you love it.
You know what embarrassing? When a man a fuck man.
Lord have mercy, me get blocked on social media. Me get blocked. No, for real.
Woman, give me that embarrassment. But as long as me a
but if you have your own house now, but if you join on pan a house and you live on top and me live on bottom and you are behave so, I think it's embarrassing. Why 50 you are holla and behave so?
No,
so you like
I said, boy.
I want to see them. I want to stay there. I two sex man will love to chat about sex. You see two will love to chat about sex, you know. Let me get the match.
If you know my jacket, so you feel go down there. You know when they ask you to track, if you go on, you have fresh tracks at track.
You know easy at all. Me have one big box to carry on the post office.
I cannot big. I give me big. Sure.
Me I give you what?
Answer yes.
Come live a box. Better with it. Better with it.
I try you still enough.
Where me say I try me? And if you beg me what?
Beg you drive you will give me. Your mind too smutty.
Oh, you me think okay. Me beg you drive.
I never beg pussy and I get it. That's why me not beg. Because me have to know say me I get it if you beg it.
So you only beg to woman when will give it to you?
Yes.
Okay,
that's... I don't know if you give me some, I not go beg you.
Okay. So you have to make sure, say, when you go to a woman...
I'm allergic to no.
You're allergic to...
personal. When a woman tell me no, you stay with me around 2 good weeks. Before me get over it. No, me not do well when a woman tell me no. I just feel so you have to give me from my want you to give me.
So what you give you, man?
It's not between me and the woman. If you want to know what me I give woman, you answer the woman.
Boy, you know, I say no. Well,
tell me no.
Sit in the back there. But you know, but you know, cheap up, hold on. Me just me in a post office. Me I go down. Me I go ship off a box here, and then me I go somewhere. Yeah, you know easy at all, you know. You can never ever come and book you up And you know, up with some sort of sex argument.
I you start, you know.
There is not one time. There is not one time me and you buck up. And you know start up with sex argument.
Things that you can't finish in a while, you know.
Yeah, I never ever buck you up. Not even one time yet. And you know up with some sex argument.
With woman though.
With woman. With whatever it is. Never a time. No, every time you talk about up, it's always a sex argument.
Always sweet you.
When
you not say that part then?
But me I say laugh yet. Because me stay the same way too. Me always give sex argument to people them. Because me know say two way same thing. To give sex argument. Lift it up. Look on the bottom. I saw him turn. You see it? Alright, me tape up the bottom, no drop out. Oh. White tape? No, me have to get it. Me have to tape it. No, I know so. It will. No, man, I saw me. I do something. I do this for 3 years. Me must say a long time. You know. No, me I do it kind of way. Something. Exactly. So me ask the question. No. Who is it though?
Huh?
It's someone going about my business.
Tell me you say that.
Well, man. No, for real. For real. Yeah, I tell us, huh? You have to listen to me. Yeah, heavy. Not really heavy, but yeah, I'll flip it over now. Yes, the woman was one lady. The one that went up the house. The American lady with a dog. I was one lady yesterday. They never know that she's sick in there. You have to go to one cancer, like 6 months ago. Yeah, the doctor and I can't also the doctor and then the hospital and then
you know go catch fish not no woman then.
No, but the American people, they man live at the head with little dog bark.
They always call him more Leo.
Yes. Yeah, he did yesterday.
Man, not Jamaican.
No, I'm American.
I don't know speak, but
One Jamaican man, one Jamaican.
Caretaker guy give me some fish one time.
Which caretaker guy? The Spanish man? Which guy gets you the same American man? Lord of his mercy. Me soon come up, me go in the post office and me need my phone. What's that, the box? No, give me scissors. Me I go inside with it. Me have to open the door for you. Because the box big.
I left my pork from there, but I took the roast a nice piece of pork.
Yeah, roast a nice piece of pork. I want to pussy on it. What you say? Why you say box him down? Me, who no want to see you say a man come there? Not a week.
I hear you keep back on my
No. Oh, because I say me never know say I come?
Yes.
Which part me there? What I do?
Yes.
So let me there pump. No.
Time when you are cussing people, man.
That I mean in the car. What a wear see is clean.
She is clean. I want to need that.
Where you there?
If you guys like come here, come in the veranda.
Oh.
I come here, come and make the right veranda with time.
In that's something I put it.
The people in that put on stick up and car out there.
Where the see them because them off?
Yes.
Oh, you did because of you, man.
Yes.
Oh.
I was in the shop.
Yeah. No, right just so. Yeah, me never know say I hear. Why you think some beating? Can I look yourself?
Then the man give away.
Eh?
Then I must be give away there and you know what if you know say.
Say what?
You know what if you know say in the
Hi.
You know what if you know in the man.
Where?
I hear you know about after me never know here come today.
Wait, so why would but I didn't house with them there and
The
come?
man in our house upstairs I push out the neck through window.
That from 2 months ago. Me cuss off the woman when I give me meat up on the car.
Then at the same time,
So why would I want to know say today?
then to your answer him.
Oh, me answer him?
Yeah. To your answer him, make me say look like you never want.
Push it up so for me. No, but why would I not? I don't mean I hide him. You don't see him all the time. Listen, can I write with a red pen or no? Is allowed?
Yeah, I don't know right now.
Oh, okay.
You forgot to tell me say no man come. You forgot.
So just because.
Say cat mouth kill cat can
But you must see him already before.
No. What if you talk to him and even if me see me no must know say on him because no like say me see me in your place. Me not come at your place for me.
Oh.
So but, probably can't see man and know.
So you could have expect say a hot girl like come with now one friend. But me don't have none, it's just my friend. It's my friend. Yes. I'm a friend. I'm a single man. But because I don't stay with nobody all the time, so I must one woman, one friend. Me never, so. No, but me I tell her said, me not see. Me not see the woman that come there all the time. Me I know this somebody. Me peep through window all the time. And me out the door sit down. So if me see somebody come, I must somebody temporarily. I'll be right back. So. Oh, so that. So are you permanent one that? What me see? You know, some minutes one woman that come here all the time before in your first move. I think when I first moved. Me see, me see one woman that follow back you all the time, but me never that one day. I don't remember.
Anything me I do,
But me not hide. Where? No, the reason I don't hide. Wait, what?
I said, here you too, man. I never know you come tonight.
You know it.
What man in your house? In your room, and you don't know him come, and you hold that door.
This say wicked.
I don't like to say you're out in your house.
That's how much it
Yeah, it's 35 pounds.
It's 35 pounds?
But
And it's going to Brooklyn? Okay, hold on. Let me call her. Hold on. Okay. That's a lot. Yeah. I thought that the other one that we shipped yesterday, the big would have had it.
Those cheaper than this one.
Yes, there's a